I've got a little cone cup on here with another type of center I have, so it's holding the end there, right? So hopefully this will work. We're going to have to go at a slower speed to do our buffing, I think. We'll see how fast I go without getting in trouble. Yeah. So I've got to use some pressure down. This is shaking me down here to hold that in. Hopefully this will buff at this speed. I'm using a paper towel, so if anything gets caught up in here, it will just tear the paper towel away and not hurt me. Okay, see how that just about proved it right there. The problem is I got to keep tightening this, and when I tighten it, it gets bowier. Anyway, we'll get this one done. Hopefully it's enough. Okay, whew. Let's go for the next one, which will really buff it up, hopefully really good. Oops, I need that back. Forgot again, I got to take off the old stuff. That's all, folks. Okay. Okay. Oh, well, I don't need that shirt anymore, do I? Okay. Hope this works. I need a little more speed, I think, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, God. So I hope this is worth it. Okay, let's stop it. See how it looks. Oh, thank God, it worked. Ooh, and this one has sparkles in it.